Hello, welcome to another video on gracevillesolutions. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to open a .webp image extension right in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. Okay, so Webp is an image extension, okay, that is developed or that was developed by Google. And this Webp image extension is not compatible with Photoshop, right? So now these are .webp extensions, okay, these images are .webp extensions. So if I want to open this in Photoshop, okay, I right click and I select and I say open with. Now as you can see, Photoshop is not listed amongst the options there, meaning that you can't open this extension in Photoshop. So even if I click and drag it in Photoshop, now what does it say? As you can see, it gives an error message saying that okay, let me just zoom in so you see clearly. It says could not place this because no parser or file format can open. So what it simply means is that Photoshop does not support this extension, okay? But in this video, I'll show you how to fix this, all right? Now, to open this same image in Photoshop, okay, first of all, I'm going to open this in a software called Microsoft Paint, all right? This comes with all Windows operating systems, all right? So I right click and select open in Paint, okay? All right, so as you can see now, this same image, the .webp, has opened in this software called Microsoft Paint, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save it, okay? So I'm going to File, all right? So I go to File, and then I go to Save, and now, as you can see here, you have a ton of options, which is supported by Photoshop. You have a PNG, JPEG, BMP, GIF, and so on, okay? But I'm just going to save it as a PNG image, all right? So I'm going to save it as a PNG image, so I click that, and I can just save it on my desktop as, let's just say white background, okay? And then I click Save. Now it's asking me, do I want to, I just say okay. All right, so now I'm going to navigate back into my computer to open the same file in Photoshop. Alright, so I just look for the file. Let me just reduce this. So I look for the same file. Alright, so this is the image. I'm going to right click and let's see what are the options at my disposal. Now it says open with. So as you can see, Photoshop is amongst the options highlighted, okay? Meaning that, it's not supported in Photoshop. So I'm going to choose Photoshop. Voila. So as you can see, the same image that couldn't open earlier has now successfully opened in Photoshop, okay? So I'm going to repeat the same process for, let's use a much more clearer image. So I'm going to use this icon, okay, this, okay, like so. I open in Paint, okay, and yeah, so I'm going to save it as a PNG file. Okay, go to my desktop and I hit Save. Okay, so let's go back to our computer and open the same file in Microsoft Word, in Photoshop. So I right click and I select open in Photoshop. Voila, so as you can see, the same image that didn't open earlier has now successfully opened in Photoshop. Alright, so this is just a simple tip on how you can open or view a .webp image extension in Photoshop. So I'm sure you had value from this video. If you did, please give this video a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing graphic design and internet tips, tricks, and tutorials. So till I see you in my next video, take care, stay safe.